So welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your website on a live URL. Lot of people ask me in comment section that we have built a website using AI tools like Lovable or other vibe coding tools. But how do we deploy it and get a link that we can share with others? So if you're also going through this problem, then this video is for you. First of all you need to do is open your favorite vibe coding tool and find this GitHub icon. If you can't find a GitHub icon, you have an option to download your code directly. You have to find one of these options. If you have GitHub integration, just connect your project with GitHub. Just click on this connect button. In my case, you can see I have the GitHub option, so I will just click on this connect. Once your project is connected, you will get a GitHub link. Here you can see once your project is connected successfully, you will see option called view in GitHub. Just click on this. Now once you are on the GitHub page, all you need to do is just click on this code button and click on this download zip file, and you have to download this zip file. Once you have your zip file, all you need to do is just search for netlify. I will also put this website link in description box below. So netlify is free to use and you can host your websites here very easily. Click on this sign up button and you have to create your account using Google account or email. Just click on the sign up button and create your account. I already have an account, so I will skip this part. Once you create your account, you will need to fill some basic information like first name, last name, company name, or your own name if you don't have a company, your role, and how you heard about Netlify. And you have to put your team name. That's not mandatory, but you can put if you want. Once that's done, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Now we are on the main page, as you can see. Here you will see multiple deployment options like GitHub, GitLab, and others. But if you simply want to upload your project files directly, you can use the drag and drop option. You can either drag your zip file directly into the upload area, or you can just click on this browse button, select the zip file that we downloaded earlier. Now, as soon you upload, Netlify will start deploying your website automatically. You will see the deployment process running. Now, if you want to rename your website URL, click on this site setting or project details. There you will find an edit option where you can change your project name. So if you want to rename it, just put your new website URL link and you can just rename it from here. Netlify allows you letters, numbers, and hyphens, and there are also a character limit. Once you save the new name, your website will be officially live. Now you can open the URL and your website will be accessible to anyone on the internet. You can share it with your clients, your teams, your friends, or anyone you want. And that's how you can deploy and host your website for free. I hope this video helped you. Before we end this video, let me show you today's sponsor, Try Time Back. If you watch long YouTube videos, lectures, and feel they have like taking too much time, this tool can help you save hours. Try Time Back is an AI powered YouTube lecture analyzers that extracts key insights from a lecture so you can learn in minutes instead of hours. So you just have to paste your YouTube URL, AI analyze it, and it gives you like downloadable PDF summary, short clips of the most important moments. So if you want to learn faster and save time while studying, definitely check out Try Time Back. I will put link of this in description box as well. Thank you so much for watching.